How's it going today, guys? Today I'll be going to Culebra, Puerto Rico. We're going for a small trip to repair a couple of scooters. It's gonna be a cool trip. I hope you guys like it. We got some cool images. And then I went on my Nikola Plus electric unicycle. Have a nice one. Hoy estaremos yendo para Culebra, Puerto Rico para reparar unas scooters de alquiler o de turismo en Culebra, Puerto Rico. Los veo allá.
I know you ain't. I'm no match for you, baby. You like making it rough on me, don't you? My. Back to the shack. Yeah. Nothing suits me better than that. If time is taught me anything, got to learn to be the ball. And I can't keep from laughing at it all. I'm going all the way. Somebody gotta love somebody. Don't care how long it takes. Like a shot to the heart, I got news for you. I may not look so smart, but I'm nobody's fool. No, no. On the road, that's enough for me, baby. Taking it slow, it's too much for me to analyze. Still alright.
Alright, guys, so we did arrive on the ferry today, so Culebra. We are on our way. We're probably about an hour out, and we should be there in no time. Just show you guys around here a little bit. Oh yeah, boy. Alright, guys, I'll see you when I arrive.
You might think that I'm not going to school on you. Baby, like it or not, I ain't nobody's My illumination may come with some surprise. You may try to deny it. You're amazed when the clown slaps you in the face, leaves you dumbfounded there in his way. Going all the way. Somebody gotta love somebody. Don't care how long it takes. Like a shot to the heart, I've got news for you. Baby, I'm not so smart, but I'm nobody's fool.
Bueno, mi gente, aquí la zona de guerra donde estábamos reparando y cambiando frenos, ajustando frenos, calibrando todos los frenos. Vimos muchos errores aquí, muchas cosas que tenemos por corregir y nada. Logramos arreglar y ponerla al día, ya todas tienen sus frenitos. Y nada, ahora vamos a dar una vueltita por ahí en Culebra un momentito y para fajarlo otra vez, que ya mismo son las 3. Los veo después.
To the rhythm of the summer lights.